Question 3. The following data represent the percentage of people without health insurance for the 50 states and the District of Columbia in 2006, with the first class having a lower class cut point of 8 and a class width of 2. Question A. Construct a frequency and relative frequency distribution. Step 1, n equal to 51. Step 2. Identify formula relative frequency equal to frequency of particular category divided by sum of all frequency. Step 3. Construct a table that contain class, tally, frequency, relative frequency, cumulative frequency, and midpoint. So the frequency is shown in the table. And this is the frequency distribution using the formula frequency of particular category divided by sum of all frequency. Question B. Construct a histogram for the frequency distribution. For this histogram, the y-axis is frequency while the x-axis is intervals. Question C. Describe the shape of the distribution. The answer is the shape of the histogram that is skewed right. Question D. Construct a polygon. The y-axis for this histogram is frequency and the x-axis is midpoint. Question E. Prepare a cumulative frequency distribution. Question F. Construct an ogive for the cumulative frequency distribution. The y-axis is cumulative frequency while the x-axis is the boundaries. Question G. Find the mean, median, mode, variance and standard deviation. Step 1. Frequency multiply midpoint, which is f multiply with m. Step 2. Midpoint exponent 2, which is m power of 2. Step 3. Frequency multiply with m exponent 2, which is f multiply with m power of 2. Step 5. Find the mean. The mean equal to sum of fm divided by n, which is 736.45 divided by 51. And the answer is 14.4402. Step 6. Find the median. The median formula is the LM, which is the lower boundary of the class median, plus bracket n, which is the total frequency divided by 2n minus f, which is the total frequency before class median, and divided by fm, which is the frequency of the class median, and multiply with I, which is the class width. So, 12 plus 51 divided by 2, minus 17, divide by 9, and multiply with 2, and the answer is 13.89. Step 7. Find the mode. The formula of mode is the LMO, which is the lower boundary of class mode, plus bracket 1. The difference between the frequency of class mode and the frequency of the class before the class mode, divided by 1 plus 2, which is the difference between the frequency of class mode and the frequency of the class after the class mode. Then, multiply I, which is the class width, which is 10 plus 11 to 6, divided by 5 plus 11 to 9, multiply 2, and the answer is 11.43. Step 8. Find the variance. The formula of variance for grouped data is s power of 2 equal to sum of fm power 2 minus sum of fm, and then exponent 2, divided by n, and then divided by n minus 1. So, 11,339.2275 minus 736.45 power of 2, divided by 51. Therefore, the final answer is 16.295. Step 9. Find the standard deviation. The formula of standard deviation for grouped data is S equal to square root S power of 2. So, the solution is square root the variance, which is 16.295, and the answer is 4.0367.